My name's Sean Oakes. I'm the Managing Director and Company Founder of iEvo Limited. We're a biometric manufacturer based in the North East. We manufacture a biometric product which is predominantly a fingerprint access control reader. Instead of utilising keys, cards, fobs, pins, you can actually use your fingerprint to gain access securely into buildings. We had a concept as in respect of what we wanted to achieve and a number of outcomes and benefits that the product had to be able to incorporate to be able to go into market. What we didn't have, however, was any design knowledge, design capability. We didn't know where to go or who to talk to or where to turn.
Now they had the core technology, which is the actual reader unit itself, which has some very clever technology inside it. What they needed us to help them with was actually packaging it and turning it into a product that they can sell. We needed to make a unit that was acceptable from a user interface point of view, so very easy to use, very straightforward to use, very obvious how it functioned, but also to be water resistant, vandal proof, mount to a variety of different walls. We went through prototyping phases where the whole design style can be communicated, but also how the thing gets bolted together, how it bolts to a wall, was all very key, because if we missed any of those functions, we didn't have a product.
Prototyping of iEvo, as we found quite rapidly, was a key factor. We started off with doing foam models from a number of designs. Designs originally presented to you on paper, but when you've actually got the product in a foam model in your hand, it can make a huge difference. And then we narrowed those down into a number of products that kind of took our eye, if you like, at the beginning. And then we had to produce what was called a SLA, which is more like a hard case prototype unit of it. And then you really got to see the project coming together and the design that you had chosen to start the work. And you could also make any amendments on that design as time went on as well, because you hadn't spent huge amounts or vast amounts of money on actually going into production. As in respect of the design project, iEvo now is completed, and we've put production in for a tool that will actually enable us to pull off 20,000 readers. We're already out in the market. We've already sold out 3 times over, which is why we've moved up to the next stage of tool, and the feedback and comments from our customers and the fact that we're getting repeat orders, I think, answers itself.
It's also nice to see that iEvo are taking it forward to actually make a product and a business out of it, so it doesn't just stop as a nice piece of design work. We want to see it on doors everywhere.
The iEvo reader is now the only reader on the market that can be used internally, externally. It meets all the aesthetics and the requirements of the end user. Now, iEvo has been designed to actually provide a product that will not just enter into that market and take a large portion, but also look to, with the growth of its product range, to really culminate on that available market out there.